In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Tokyo Disneyland Fastpass. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly purchase tickets for Tokyo Disneyland. Keep in mind that Tokyo Disneyland does not offer traditional fast passes like those found in other Disney parks. There are two main ways to skip the line. You can either have Disney Premier Access or through the 4th Anniversary Priority Pass. Now, I'm gonna go over those in this video. To start, make sure that you have the latest version of the Tokyo Disney Resort app. So, download this application and you will be able to browse through all of the options available. So, whenever you download this app, you can see this interactive map, you can see all of the attractions, the times I listed, and if you pull up this home screen, you will be able to find the option to buy tickets. Make sure that you agree with the terms, and you will be able to proceed to login or registration. Now, in relation to the Disney Premier Access, you will be able to purchase this specific type of ticket for specific attractions and shows directly through this application. This is going to be a paid service that allows you to skip the regular queue and enter the attraction at the designated time. So as you can see, you will be able to browse through all of the options, include the amount of people who are going to be going, choose Tokyo Disneyland, select the dates, and you will be able to see the ticket types. When you are done purchasing your tickets initially, you can then go over to this screen where you can see the map, and when you tap on any attraction here, you will be able to tap on it again to see the details, and as you can see, you can find the icon here, Disney Premier Access. Depending on which attraction you choose, you might also see the 4th Anniversary Priority Pass that is also going to apply. So you will have to use this feature when you are physically at the park, so keep that in mind. When you tap on this icon and you are physically located on the park, you will be able to go through the process and acquire the Priority Pass for your account and your ticket. Sadly, I won't be able to show you this full process on screen, but like I mentioned, all that you have to do is go over to the actual physical location, tap on any of these attractions, and you will have access to the Disney Priority Access Pass. The same thing can be done whenever you see the 4th Anniversary Priority Pass listed, and you will be able to tap on it and use this feature at the park to acquire your own tickets. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Tokyo Disneyland Fastpass. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.